guys, nanalo ako sa raffle sa RM ng Juni PH. So let's see kung ano yung napanalunan ko. Actually, alam ko na yung napanalunan ko. Pero syempre, mas maganda yung titignan pa rin natin siya at i-unbox. So, galing to sa guys. Ayun. Thank you, admin RM Universe PH. So, let's see. Oh. So, dalawa siya, guys. Dalawa yung pack. This one and this one. And, merong letter dito. Thank you for joining and for following the page from RM Universe PH. Thank you also. So, unahin natin ito malaki, guys. Ito yung napanalunan ko. Yan na, guys. Wow. Wow. Uy, so cute. So, ito guys yung napanalunan ko at meron pa siyang kasamang pack of chocolates. Thank you so much. Open muna natin to guys. Oh, yan. Tiny Tan shirt. So this is from Bench. Bench baka naman. And it's RM. Thank you so much. And then, so, ano na si RM? So, RM. And then, ito yung box of chocolates. Thank you so much, admin. Wait lang guys, ha. So, ito siya. Wow. Ito yung, sweet kisses. And, umbrella candy. Ay,
Candy cane.
Candy cane. Oh, meron pang parang ngayon na lang ulit ako nakakita nito guys. Ovaltinis. It's been a while.
Yeah.
90s babies. Thank you. And let's open yung isa pang box guys. Parang si husband ang magsusuot nito.
Ala.
Pero thank you. Thank you. So next is this is an additional items for meron pa isa.
Grabe. Na
Thank
para
you,
bang exchange
admin.
gift. Ini.
Wait lang. Let's see what's this. So, this is
Imang.
Kuya!
Si Kuya pala. Kala ko si Mang.
Kuya! Plushy keychain. So cute.
Ah.
Thank you. Pengi daw. Yan na. Sa'yo na.
Yan.
And this
Ay,
one,
pak.
another pack.
So cute.
Habang pineplex si Kuya, plushy.
Yan, kamukha niya na. Lagay mo lang siya dyan. What is that?
For the last item,
Ay, pak. Skincare.
another
Pimple patch.
hand cream and my Melody Focal Your lip cream.
Ah.
Thank you so much for this lip cream and plushy.
It's cute.
Ayan, bag charm. Thank you so much. Thank you for all the gifts. Thank you sa mga na-receive ko. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye! See you again on my next unboxing!